Good evening and welcome to Akamom News. I'm your host, Hilary, and here are our top stories for today.
In Hampshire, from the UK, but working in Kenya.
So there's a group of students that are doing a project on the coast of the Kenyan coast. They're working with 7 primary schools to educate primary students in local government schools, and they're gardening coral. They've got a grant for several $100,000 for 7 years to make the project sustainable.
We are coming to you with
the roadmap to
sustainability. We will guide you through how to
a project just like ours.
Bring your ideas to life.
See you at the Aisa GISS' 2024.